And raw. Welcome to the New Caveman video show. Have you ever wanted to learn a new skill set, start a new side hustle, or pursue a lifetime dream? Do you ever feel like you want to achieve so much more but cannot seem to find the time and energy outside your 9-to-5 job? Let me share my favorite productivity application that helped me manage my YouTube channel, my side hustles, my hobbies, and my life. Trello is a web-based project management tool. It is based on the Kanban methodology, which was developed by a Toyota engineer to achieve just-in-time manufacturing. The word Kanban is Japanese for signboards, which takes its name from the card system employed by Toyota to track manufacturing in the factory. My method is to use Trello based on David Allen's Getting Things Done philosophy. First and foremost, let us create a board. You can create a board to track your personal productivity or any other projects that you intend to embark on. In this example, I will create one for my personal productivity. You can also create a board for a team and invite others to collaborate on the same board. Let us now create our first column or swim lane. We shall call it Inbox. This is what I call the brain dump column. Whenever you have an idea, quickly open the app and add the idea down as a card. Do note that when you add a card, you can tag team members, create labels, checklists, due date reminders, and also attachments. For example, you are watching Marie Kondo on Netflix and were inspired to declutter. Add a card called Pack Clothes into this lane. The human brain is not a storage device. It is meant for creating ideas. The more things you try to remember, the more overwhelmed you become. So, just dump ideas in this column whenever they pop into your head, and we will attend to it later. We will now create a second swim lane called This Week. Every Sunday night, I will review the inbox of ideas and decide which cards I can action upon for the week. Once decided, drag the cards into the This Week lane. This is essentially your list of to-dos for the week. Next, create a lane called Doing. On a daily basis, look at the outstanding tasks in the This Week lane. Drag the card to the Doing lane whenever you are going to action on the task. If this is a team board, you can have individual lanes for each member. For example, John doing, Remy doing, Mary doing. This way, the project leader can monitor which member is actioning on which task. If there is any task that cannot be completed pending action of others, comment on it and drag into the Waiting For lane. Once tasks are completed, you can drag the card to the Completed lane. If this is a team board, the members can drag to a lane called For Review. The project leader can review the cards in this lane. If he is happy with the completed task, he can drag it to the Completed lane. If there are required amendments, he can comment accordingly in the card and drag it back to the team members lane. Rejected. At the end of the week, Review all the outstanding cards that cannot be completed. You may choose to keep it in the This Week column or drag it back to the inbox to be actioned in future. If you find yourself repeatedly dragging a card back to the inbox, don't kid yourself anymore. Discard this card. Otherwise, break it down into smaller tasks so that you can keep it moving. This is just a basic tutorial using the most basic functionalities. Once you are more familiarized, you can even integrate IFTTT to automate repeated tasks or create new tasks upon receipt of emails. The possibilities are endless. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Please share if you have found it useful. Remember to subscribe for more. Bye bye.